how to delete your signature on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to delete signature on Gmail easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Gmail, now go to the top right here and click on settings, and now click on see all settings right here and scroll down until you find the signature option right here. As you can see, now go to your signature. This is my signature. Click here on delete signature, click delete and go down and click save changes. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.